Hey all, I figured I'd do a short progress report on my electronics build. So there's some things still not connected. Obviously I don't have the drivers connected to the motors yet, or the VFD installed, or the lighting output connected just quite yet. The power supplies are all connected, everything else is connected through. So there's two switches and two power cord inputs on the back, one for 120 volts and one for 240 volts. I only have the one connected right now, and then down below I have two outlets that are run off of primary mini contactors that are then controlled by these two relays up at the top here. Those are connected to the flood and air outputs on the controller. I haven't reassigned them yet, but it'll be easy enough to turn things on and off. Those will be for the water pump and the vacuum. So with this on, if I go to the front and have the e-stop engaged, pressing the green button does nothing, as expected. Pressing the green button with the e-stop removed, closes the contactor, fires up the two power supplies, and gives power to the control board. And then as you can see there's three relay lights on. Those are for the standard white mode for the LED outputs for the main controller. And these little driver keys just make this part of the wiring so much simpler. Just solder pins in, tighten them up into the screws, and then plug in the IDC cables. And that's about it for now. So down here I have a 1 amp breaker. That's my control wiring. So when I shut that off, that kills all the control wiring throughout, which is the 120 volt feed to these two switches, and then back to control the contactors. The contactor kills off as well when that turns off. So that's sort of my safety, and that allows me to use much smaller 18 gauge or smaller wires for all the controls, even though they're 120 volts. And that's it for now.